How to reply with GIF on Instagram comments. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. So let's get started right away. Well, there's one quick disclaimer though, and that always with these random Instagram updates, some people have the update and can comment with GIFs in this case, and some people just don't. Some people just have to wait for a pretty long time until they get it. I personally have it on this account, but on some other accounts of mine, I still don't have it. So if you do have it, then where do you have to look for? Well, all you basically want to do is open up a post. So let's say this one over here, for example, then open up the comment section. Then simply over here, you want to look for the right over there. You can see GIF. Now for me, it says GIF. For you, it will probably say post in blue, just like that. That also appears here for me when I type something. But once I haven't typed anything in here, you can see GIF over there. So if I were to click on there, it would look like this. And here you have a bunch of default GIFs, just like that, which is pretty funny. And then you can also search for anything you want. So you can search for a movie, for example, like that. You can even search for phrases. So for example, happy, then you will get this, or you can search for cats, or you can search for angry, just whatever you really want. And so many GIFs are on here, which is pretty cool. And yeah, so let's say I would send this, or I would comment this cat GIF over there. Then I'll just click on there. And now it is posting. And as you can see at the top, you can now see that GIF right over there in the comment section, which is pretty cool. So yeah, that is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.